Hey lovies, it's me, the Mrs. T, and Caitlin of McFadden Studio, and we are here for a long-awaited, anticipated hat chat.
Dusted off the old
hats. We dusted off the hats and brought it back, people. It has been far too long.
Far too long.
But it's been for good reason, because we've been super, super busy. If you did not know, we had something called Monday Motivation last month, which took up a lot of time, but the results were amazing.
It was so much fun.
Yeah, and that's part of why we've been a little MIA, because we were just super focused in on making that what it was. But we're so excited for what happened there, the community that's been started, and we're glad to announce that we actually have another one coming up. Yay!
I'm so excited.
So our next one is February 24th, which is this coming Monday. It is going to be at the Fast Transit Center, which is like right down the street from us here at Seed. And it is from, is it 10 to 12? 10 to 12,
yes,
right?
I believe
so. It's from 10 to 12, and we have so many amazing things in store. Like we said, last month was awesome, but we never want to stay there. We always want to take it up another level, right? So this month, we actually have Susie. She is going to be another one of our speakers. She's presenting another portion of the Ice House Entrepreneurship Packet, and her focus, or our focus for this month, is courage. Because it takes courage to be a woman in business, let's face it. It's not the easiest thing to do. There's a lot of obstacles we face that men don't, and there's just a lot of things that we juggle that men don't. We're just being honest, right?
We wear many hats.
We literally wear many hats. So courage is our theme for this month. Susie is going to focus in on that. But then we also have two amazing guest speakers.
Yeah, so Alyssa Hennessy is joining us to talk about storytelling, and she is just incredible. Anytime I've ever heard her speak, she makes me cry, but in the good way. Like it touches my soul. Like I'm like, oh, I never thought about that. So I'm really excited to hear from her.
And then we have Dr. Patrice Carter from Breakpoint Coaching, and she is joining us. Also, they both are going to focus. Everybody is going to focus in on courage, but in their own unique ways. And so we're super excited. Dr. Patrice Carter, if you haven't heard her, this is your chance.
She's amazing.
She's really amazing. She has a way to somehow connect with every single person in the room in some way and make you feel like she's only talking to you. So it's really awesome. We're super excited. And of course, we're having brunch. I mean, like, so what's a meetup?
That was so good, the last one.
We were so happy and grateful to have Dorothy's Catering to cater for us that we asked her to do it again.
Yeah.
So
she's coming back.
We're excited. And we are going to have the amazing pancake sticks. Like, those were cool. I never saw pancakes on sticks before.
I know. It was such a good variety. And it was pretty.
It was pretty.
Who doesn't love pretty food? You know?
I do. It was almost too pretty to eat.
Yeah.
Almost, but not quite.
But we ate it.
Yeah, we ate it anyway. And then we're also going to have coffee. Provided by Hollywood Java. Like, I'm excited.
Yeah, we need the coffee. We need the caffeine.
We always
flowing.
need the caffeine. So we're going to have Dorothy's Catering 2 for our brunch, and then we have Hollywood Java for our coffee. We have 3 amazing speakers lined up. So we need for you to be there.
Yes, and it's just a fun time. I mean, gosh, I made so many friends at the last one and connections, and we just had a great morning. It was a really great start to the week.
Yes, and come selfie ready, because we are trying to flood social media this month. We want selfies galore, and so it's a nice, open, bright venue. The Fast Center is so gorgeous, and there's tons of daylight, so come prepared for selfies, because if you don't take one, I'm going to take one with you.
She will.
You can't fight me. It's just going to happen. Just accept it, okay? So February 24th, we will leave a link for the event below this video. Go ahead and register so you can hang out with us.
Yeah.
And get your Monday started off kind of awesome.
Yeah, set some goals.
We're making this the place to be on Monday, so just...
It's happening.
Welcome.
Awesome.
But now that we've told you all about Monday Motivation, we have a couple of other things we want to share with you, because like we said, it's been forever since we chatted, so we need to catch up, right? So, Caitlin, what else do we have coming up?
Well, we decided that we're going to be doing, Tiffany's giving business vlogging on Friday.
On Friday. Look, I'm sitting here like I don't know it.
Yes, we're doing it. By the way, you're doing this on Friday.
By the way, you're doing this.
There's so much going on. I'm like,
it's crazy. But Friday we're doing business vlogging. So if you're a business and you've been struggling with a way to share your story, because anybody knows me, I always tell any business owner, people buy a person, or not buy, but you build loyalty to a person before you do a product, and then the product comes naturally. But sometimes it's kind of hard to get that story out there. Blogging for your business is a great way to make that happen because you have that platform to share pieces of your story, your why, your what, and all behind what you're doing in your business. So that's what we're going to be focusing on Friday. The workshop is 10 to 12. You can register through our events tab, which is going to be on one of the sides of this video somewhere on the Facebook page. So it'll be around. It'll be here. So click that events tab and register for Friday's workshop. I'll be super excited to talk to you and share a bit about blogging for your business.
And tomorrow, so for those of you who are super busy and you need everything crammed in one, I don't know about you, but like I am that person.
Yeah.
I think you're that person too.
Yeah, I need to multitask when it comes to learning, so I try to get everything in one shot.
As much value as possible. So tomorrow we're doing a business plan intensive workshop, and it's going to be here at Seed.
Intensive.
It's going to be intense. Echo.
Echo.
But we're going to give it, basically you're going to sit down, it's going to be all hands on deck. We're going to be downstairs in the computer lab. Whether you have zero at all started for your plan or you have a plan, we're gonna meet you wherever you're at in the process. We're there to ask questions. We're going to give you resources. It's going to be, again, an intense, hands-on workshop so that when you walk out the door, you are way further than you were. And
ready to go and motivated and inspired and encouraged and supported. Because you're going to have Caitlin there. Yes. We're also going to have Stuart on hand to help with the finance side of things. And who else is going to be there?
And Rosanna will be there.
And Rosanna.
So you'll have everyone there to answer questions about all the different sections of the plan. And rather than going to, vision mapping or a formal business plan training or, trying to go to the finance and all the different sections of it, we're going to just give it to you all at once.
And this way, instead of you finding 3 different dates on your calendar to be here, you can just pick one.
Yeah.
Which is tomorrow.
Yes, it's going to be, you're going to get a lot done. For sure.
Make sure, again, find that events tab, one of these sides, and get registered for that class. And I think we have something else coming up too, right?
Yeah, well, tonight we have a Jumpstart orientation. So if you have never been here before, or maybe you have, but it's been a while, you're thinking about starting a business or growing your business, or you just plain want to come talk to us, you can come tonight. I believe it starts at 6 o'clock, 5:45. 5:45.
She knew that.
I knew that. I knew that. I was testing you on it.
It was pop quiz.
You passed.
I passed.
You passed. But it's tonight, and Rosanna gives it. She's our director, and she gives you an overview of all of our services we offer here and resources. So it's a really good way to jumpstart your experience with us.
It is exactly what it sounds like.
Yeah, exactly. And from that class, we can give you tips and tools and kind of tell you which class makes sense for you next, or which avenue you can go.
So come for that tonight, 5:45. Again, find the events tab and get all the details. But we kind of worked our way backwards. Like we went forward to Monday, then the Friday, then the Thursday. That was not planned, people. We are just that good. No, sorry, I'm just playing. But we are so excited to come back with Hat Chat this week, and we hope you guys enjoyed everything we shared with you. If you have any questions and or comments, please feel free to let us know. Comment down below. Let us know what you think, what you need to know, what you want to know, anything. Share it with us because we're super excited to engage with you and have a conversation with you. Also, share this video, because we want to try to get that word out about what's happening here at Seed, and you can do that for us in a simple click and share. So please feel free to do that. And until then, we'll see you next hat.
Yeah, we'll be here just collecting hats.
You know. Oh, and if you see any cool hats, let me know.
Let us know.
Because I'm trying to step up my game to catch up with her.
It's true. My hat collection's ridiculous, but this is my favorite so far.
Yeah, and I stole this from a friend. And if you're watching, friend, you may not get this hat.
And honestly, I support it. You need that hat. Like, I'm sorry.
We're so sorry. But we'll see you guys in the next hat chat. Bye.